So hi guys. Today main topic is the React scheduling algorithm. By the way, I had to take like at least 2 video yesterday. Today. Um, I couldn't do it. The reason why I couldn't do it is because first of all, I was really busy. So our service is called RunTrick. RunTrick is just like the user can learn the program language even though they don't know, even though they never had experience of it. So there's a user sign in, login. So we make the high quality curriculums like what's program, blah blah. When user click it, there's gonna be markdown and context of it. But the weird core feature is there's like AI tutor on the next. It's just like chatbot, but we're trying to integrate with the how user behaves. Example, if user already swipe or already execute some kind of code, already read the whole content of it, and if he has some kind of question, it will automatically enhance the response quality of it. And of course we can use the mobile version of it. It's already, I make it responsible, but there's the beta launch is due to next Monday. So I've been like coding for at least nine hours a day. So without at least 9 hours a day, and I think no, not a day. It's like I think over 10 hours, 10, 11, 12 hours, but whatever. So I was not take a video, and so I'm sorry. So let's begin with the topic. So today the main topic is React scheduling algorithm. If you guys have even I'm a front end engineer. I didn't expect that React choose the scheduling algorithm for their UI. So scheduling, if you don't know scheduling is actually from the operating system. The scheduling, or it's just the process management. Their process has to be begin, and scheduling is the one who schedule the process. Example, I open the Obsidian page or I open the Google Chrome. It has to be changed the process if I'm looking at the Google Chrome, and if I open some kind of heavy operation of it. But so if you look at this document here, it's saying the how React 18 improves application performance here. Basically the traditional React rendering is if there's like some kind of changes of the state, it really has to be it has to be renders those kind of face and comment face. So basically it has to wait till render, and it doing the it change the UI that has to be changed because it is a virtual DOM. But that's kind of leads into problem that what if there's like what if we need some kind of UI that requires instant interactivity. So what they choose is they slice the priority and high priority, low priority, and they reduce it. So basically this is not really the kind of React thing. If you look at the operating system, those kind of splitting actually that splitting thing is actually round robin. Is time slicing. It seems like round robin. In operating system, the UI process, it uses round robin scheduler. Because if you look at if you look at our laptop or our some computer, and if you open the window, you want your computer to renders some kind of web page or some kind of game really fast, and when you're trying to click your computer desktop button, it has to be instant. But UI thread is, so there's no priority on it. Exactly, there's no importance of priority on the UI thread. Most important thing is the time slicing, because UI thread is really if it's really hard to track which one has better priority. Of course, if there's priority, it would be nice, but most important thing is the time slicing. So React algorithm is using, they're just using like normal operating system scheduler. But my question is, since this is kind of really scheduling part related to the operating system, and React is basically not some kind of, not really kind of normal traditional JavaScript library. It's just like state. It's just like real-time state. So my question is, React seems like most like real-time state, that if I click some kind of state, the component or UI that have relation of this state has to be changed. And I think, what if we use the multi-feedback queue scheduling for it? Since I know the long robin scheduling problem is that there's no priority. So if there's like there's no priority on it, so we don't want to. But if there's like some kind of heavy important task that has to be done, we can just LLFQ. So my question is, generally what I'm thinking about those kind of thing is, since this is already seems like round robin, and I think putting multi-feedback queue rather than this kind of normal scheduler would be nice, because this is actually introducing, like here, synchronization render, and it's saying like like time slicing, those kind of thing. The MLFQ is just basically there's a two queue of it, scheduler queue, and if there's a task on it, put the task on this first queue. Normally we use the first and second one into round robin, so we slice as much as possible. And if this has to be more scheduled, it goes to the this second scheduler. If this scheduler is done, and if there's more has to be scheduled, it goes to the third scheduler, which is we commonly use FCFS for it, first come first served, for the last scheduler queue. So I think it would be nice if there's something like MLFQ on React rather than some kind of normal round robin seems like scheduler. So this is really how I think, and so I think this is it. The reason why I take this video on my car is because I'm at the school startup club, and a lot of people are using it right now. So even it's like almost 4 a.m. 5 a.m. today, but people are using it. I don't want to like seems like weirdo, like taking some video. Yeah, I don't know why. So this is it. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye bye.